So yeah, everybody please get ready and turn your camera on. Yes, Jubair.
Yes, at the first picture, we can see river erosion. It happens frequently, especially in Shirazganj town area. And from our Unit 5 and from our textbook, that means from lesson 1, we have learned that there is also a town protection embankment in Shirazganj. Yes, embankment. And frequent time we can see there is a river called Jamuna, and Jamuna is one of the biggest rivers of our country. And many times we can see especially in TV channels that river erosion is going on, especially in southern areas.
Thank you so much, Zubair Ahmed. I know that you can explain well. So if I give you floor, you will take 30 minutes, or you can explain this picture up to 30 minutes. But today I'm missing your face. That's the problem. No issues. Thank you so much. So we can pronounce it as erosion or erosion. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Erosion or erosion, meaning nodi bhangon. So can anybody tell me why this river erosion occur or take place? What is the reason behind it?
Sir, for cutting trees.
Do you think that only cutting trees? Mahmudul Hassan, is it the only reason for which river erosion occurs in our country?
Sir,
for climate change.
Yeah, actually it's related to climate change. And we all know that Bangladesh is a riverine country. There are so many rivers. I think most of the district of Bangladesh connected with connected with river. Most of the districts, anyhow, somehow they are connected with rivers. So this is a common picture, and most of the time when we just pollute our environment, that means the global warming occurs. At that time, this kind of problem becomes really visible or becomes really worst. So we can see another picture here, picture number 2. Tausif, can you explain this? Tausif, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what do you see? You can see there is a bear on the iceberg.
Sir, river erosion.
Not like that. Not like that. You will not
Sir.
find bear just beside the river. It's really funny, Tausif. I am just talking about the second picture, Tausif. What do you see?
Sir, a bear.
Only a bear?
sir, also
Sir, also
iceberg.
ice.
Iceberg. So what does it mean? Can anyone guess it? Actually, it seems like this is a simple picture, a bear on the iceberg. But what does it mean?
sir, ice is
melting
down.
Right. Ice is melting, and animals are just losing their habitation.
Sir, he is finding food. I mean fish.
It's because of global warming.
I think Rishad, you are really hungry. That's why you are saying so. Actually, a bear is on the iceberg, and it means that animals are losing their habitation. পশু পাখিরা তাদের ঘরবাড়ি হারাচ্ছে because of different kind of climatical reason. বিভিন্ন পরিবেশগত বা তোমার জলবায়ু পরিবর্তনের কারণে বিভিন্ন ধরনের পরিবর্তন আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি, যার মধ্যে একটা হচ্ছে icebergs are melting and the animals are losing its habitation, বাসস্থান হারাচ্ছে. Can anyone tell me, Shanto, can you tell me the picture number 3? Can you describe it? What does it mean?
The picture number 3 is about a disaster. It is also occurs for climate change.
How can we understand that this is a picture of disaster, any kind of storm?
In this picture, we can see that for the strong air, the trees are
Going down or going down.
Going down.
Yeah. So what is the third picture? Can anyone explain it? What is the third picture about? Mehdi Hasan Rahat, this is for you.
Sir, third picture.
Yeah.
Sir, it looks like autumn season, sir.
Okay, so
I think.
different person, different perspectives. So you can see, I can see their boys are playing cricket, but
It is fourth
you
picture.
can see this is autumn.
Sir,
autumn season.
that's
Sir,
four.
this is
Sir.
fourth picture, not third.
That is fourth picture.
I am talking about picture number 4.
Sir.
Oh,
Oh,
sir, boys are
in
playing
this
cricket
picture we
in
see
the field.
Cricket.
Students are playing cricket.
They play
Number
cricket.
5, some women are collecting tea leaves from tea garden, and third one, the tiger is really in what I will say, remorseful mood.
sleeping. The
Not
tiger is
sleeping.
sleeping.
Not sleeping. I think your cat is sleeping, Tausif. I know that you have a pet. Is it available there, Tausif? You want to
No,
see?
sir, he's not here. He is outside.
Okay, if you get time, you please show us. So we all know that tiger and cats, they are cousin. Do you know the thing?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, so I think the tiger is really in remorseful mood, that means sad mood, because of, I think he could be hungry. Please mute yourself. So actually, what are the picture? If you just make a summary, what are the picture we can see? These are the picture of nature, environment, as well as climate. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So there could be a doubt actually why the last 3 pictures have been added here. What is the reason? Actually, these are the picture of our nature, or you can see here, human being, nature, animals, all are here in this picture. That means all these pictures are just representing the environment and our nature. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to the next slide. So these pictures are about our nature and environment. You can see the quotation, nature and environment. So our today's lesson is about nature and environment, Unit 5, Lesson 1, page number 59. I would like to request you just take out your textbook. Every single chapter has its learning outcomes. After completing this text, you will be able to comprehend it. That means if I ask you to write down a summary, you can write this. You will be able to ask and answer question. You will be able to solve some keywords or meaning, or you can also take part in a debate competition. I know that Jubair is a, what I will tell, outstanding performer in debate competition. So there is a video clip here. It's really problematic in Zoom, so I will not be able to show it to you. I'm going to the next slide. Directly from the model reading. So this is a real picture. You can see Meherjan. It's a passage about Meherjan, and this is the woman, namely Meherjan. She is the woman, namely Meherjan, and it's a true story. So dear students, listen the text attentively, then read the text individually and answer the question that have given section B and C. So at first we would solve some word meaning. What are this picture about? Is there anyone who can tell me? These are some picture of nature and environment. We will not waste our time anymore. Let's get back to the point. So there are some keyword. You must write it down. So this is the first word, erosion. Please write it down. If you want to write down Bangla word, it's okay, no issues. Erosion meaning bhangon. Meherjan lost all her property due to the river erosion or river erosion. Both way you can pronounce it. And here is the English meaning of erosion. Please write down the English meaning also. I'll check your copy. Don't think that I will not check it. The process of eroding or being eroded. Eroded or eroding meaning ক্ষয়প্রাপ্ত হওয়া, ভেঙে যাওয়া. The process of eroding or being eroded by wind, water, or other natural agents. The process of eroding or being eroded by wind, water, or other natural agents. Erosionটা বিভিন্ন কারণে হতে পারে, অতিরিক্ত বাতাসের কারণে, পানির কারণে, অথবা natural, different kind of natural agents. That means just like a storm, cyclone, Please write it down. If you are done, then let me know. I'm gonna post this video today on my YouTube channel, so I'd like to request you, please show your face. You are going to be immortal through this recorded class in my channel. So don't miss the opportunity. It's nothing, but it's a piece of memory. And most of the time we can see that you can see here only 20 students you are here, but rest of them, they are not attending. So if someone is having some problem, then she or he can attend the session through YouTube also. So that's why I will post the video. Can I change the slide?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Mahmudul and Sanjit, please turn your camera on. Don't behave like a fool. Another keyword, embankment. You can call it bath in Bengali word, bath. Embankment. Merjan lives in a slum on the Shirazganj town protection embankment. শহর রক্ষা বাঁধ, বাঁধের নিকটে কোনো একটা বস্তিতে মেহেরজান বাস করে। So embankment meaning here, বাংলাতে লিখলে বাঁধ লিখতে পারো, sorry. Meaning is here, a wall of stone or earth made to keep water back. পানি আটকে রাখার জন্য পাথর দিয়ে অথবা মাটি দিয়ে তৈরি কোনো ওয়াল, দেয়াল। That is called embankment. নদী রক্ষা বাঁধ। Rishad, Fahad, I cannot see you. Please turn your camera on. Imtiaz, Talha, Mufsin, Tamim, Fahmida, Kurimesha, Mehdi Hassan, Siam, Sabit, Saad. Please turn your Afif Rafsan also. Please turn your camera on. Sabit.
Sir, Hamida Korimesha camera on, sir.
Who is she?
Sir, Ami.
Who are
Khalid
you?
bin Masood.
Okay,
Khalid
okay,
bin
okay,
Masood.
okay. But two device, how is it possible? You're using two device?
Yes, sir. Hamida is a computer
Okay,
web
okay,
camera.
got it. Thank you, Khalid bin Masood.
Okay.
I'm going to the next slide. Who's this Fahad? What are you doing? It's a recorded class, so don't do any kind of. Okay, let it go. You are showing us the book. Oh my God, who is here? Look, Saad. Saad Babu is here. Really good. Good to see you, Saad. How are you?
এই তো স্যার আছি ইনশাআল্লাহ ভালো। আপনি কেমন আছেন?
আমি ভালো আছি। ইংরেজিতে কোশ্চেন করেছিলাম। ওকে, নো
তোর কি মনে হচ্ছে?
Fahad, stop talking like this.
গরু।
Okay, next word, whisper. Whisper meaning কানে কানে কথা বলা. Whisper. You can see the word here, to speak very quietly to somebody so that other people cannot hear what one is saying. Whisper meaning to speak. Whisper meaning to speak very quietly to somebody so that other people cannot hear what one is saying. মানে কানে কানে কিছু বলা যাতে অন্য কেউ না শুনতে পায়। The boy whispered me, don't believe a selfish friend. ছেলেটা কানে কানে আমাকে বলল, কোনো স্বার্থপর বন্ধুকে বিশ্বাস করো না। Write it down, hurry up. Can I change the slide right now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Show me your copy, everybody. Show me your copy or notebook. You are writing, I want to check. Just like this, show me your copy. Hurry up, hurry up. Show it up. Okay, thank you. Next word is roar. Okay, I want to show you this slide for the second time because I want to make you listen. This is called roar. Roaring sound, gorgon. Okay, so roaring meaning the tiger is roaring for hungry or for food. The tiger, don't use the word hungry, it's not a proper word there. The tiger is roaring for food.
মনে হলো কেউ যেন ঢেকুর তুললো।
Shut up. Don't use extra word. The tiger is roaring for food. So roar means nobody is allowed to speak until I just give you the floor. Be careful. If you do that, I will just send you out of the classroom. This will break the discipline of the class. If you want to speak, then you need to take permission at first. Okay, so you can see the synonymous word or the explanation of this word. What does it mean, roar? Roar means to make a loud, deep, harsh sound. Harsh mane korkosh awaz. To make a loud, deep, harsh sound of tiger, river, or any other animal. শুধু tiger is a roaring sound করতে পারে তা না, নদীরও গর্জন হয়, সমুদ্রেরও গর্জন হয়, অ্যানিমেলরাও গর্জন করতে পারে. So this is called roar. The tiger is roaring for food. Is that done? Who has joined the
Yes,
class
sir.
lately? I would like to just share with them. We are discussing the chapter Unit-5, Lesson-1, page number 59. So it's really important. Is that done?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, next slide. Slum. Slum meaning bosti. A overcrowded urban area inhabited by very poor people. You will not find this kind of slum in local areas or local towns, just like Pabna city, you will not find it. But the place which are really crowded, just like Dhaka city, you will find it available. So Meherjan lives in a slum on the Shirazganj town protection embankment. Shirazganj শহর রক্ষা বাঁধের আশেপাশে কোনো এক বস্তিতে মেহেরজান বাস করত. Slum meaning an overcrowded urban area inhabited by very poor people. Riyadh, it seems like you are not a human being. What kind of cover photo you have used? Change it right now.
Okay, sir.
A mad behavior. Okay, I'm going to the next slide. Unsteady. Have you ever heard the word steady? Slow and steady wins the race. Steady meaning or sthir. Unsteady meaning অস্থির, not steady. Unsteady meaning যেটা স্থির থাকে না সেটাকে বলা হয় unsteady. The opposite word of steady. You can see the candle light. It's not steady, it's unsteady. It's moving all the time, it's moving. The flame মানে অগ্নিশিখা, the flame of this candle is unsteady. So unsteady meaning, please write down the word. liable to fall or shake. কোনো একটা জিনিস, কোনো একটা বস্তু যেটা সবসময় তোমার মুভমেন্টের মধ্যে আছে। বাংলায় লিখতে পারো আনস্টেডি শব্দের অর্থ অস্থির। Opposite of steady. Can I change the slide right now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next word you can see here, demolish, a new word for you. Please write down demolish, meaning something that is being destroying, that is being destroyed, or something that ravishing. You can see the scenery. The picture can express it better. Demolish, ধ্বংস করে দেওয়া, নস্যাৎ করে দেওয়া, নস্যাৎ করে দেওয়া। The greedy Jamuna has demolished Meherjan's all happiness. এই লোভী যমুনা মেহেরজানের সকল সুখ কেড়ে নিয়েছে বা ধ্বংস করে দিয়েছে। Demolish. To pull or knock down something, কিছু টেনে অথবা ধাক্কা দিয়ে ফেলে দেয়া। To pull or knock down something. Demolish meaning. Farhan Tausif, where is Rafid?
Sir, I don't know, sir. I think he is home.
He didn't get bail today from the center. Mental hospital.
Yes, sir, you're right.
Okay, so to pull or knock down something, the greedy Jamuna has demolished Meherjan's all happiness. Next slide. It's a individual work. Read the text. I think we have only 5 minutes left. Read the text by yourself right now and solve this activity right now. Hurry up. You have only 5 minutes. Within 5 minutes, we need to solve all this thing. Read the text, go to the page number 59 and solve this activity. Is that clear? Can you see that? Fill in the blanks activity.
Yes, sir.
And if you find any kind of problem here, these are the words you can take help. I have already given the clue. So place these clues and fill in the blanks. And if you find any kind of word you don't know the meaning, you can ask me. কোনো অর্থ না বুঝলে অবশ্যই জিজ্ঞেস করতে পারো।
In progress.
Sir, what is the meaning of fourth word of the clue? Slum dwelling.
বস্তিবাসী। Is that done? If you have completed the task, just let me know. Yes, Tausif. You have finished it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's solve this. Meherjan is a typical meaning sadharon. Got it? Typical.
Yes, sir.
Sadharon homeless woman who lives in a slum. Typical homeless woman
Yes,
who
sir.
lives in a slum. She lost her shelter and properties. What will be the
Due
answer?
to. Due to.
Due to meaning because of. Due to meaning because of. Property due to the erosion of river Jamuna. She also lost her family. এই রিভার যমুনার ভাঙনে সে সবকিছু হারিয়েছে। সে এমনকি তার পরিবারও হারিয়েছে। Her husband had died of disease caused by poverty and shortage of
food.
দারিদ্রতা এবং খাবারের অভাবে তার হাজবেন্ড মারা গিয়েছে। Now she is only a
Slum dweller.
এখন সে একজন সাধারণ বস্তিবাসী। Like Meherjan, there are many people who have become the dash of river erosion. Victims of river erosion. Become the victims
Victim.
of river erosion. Victim, what does it mean, victim? Actually, who suffered, they are called victim. Who suffered through or who go through different kind of problems, they are called victim. তার মানে যারা ভুক্তভোগী, victims এর বাংলা আসে ভুক্তভোগী, who have become the victims of river erosion. River erosion is still posing. There is a spelling mistake here. You can see here, posing is spelling P-O-S-I-N-G, not double S, okay? P-O-S-I-N-G. River erosion is still posing threats,
sir.
to the lives and properties of thousands of people. হাজার মানুষের জীবনের জন্য হুমকি এই রিভার ইরোশনটা। People living close to rivers, যারা নদীর পাশাপাশি বা নিকটবর্তী অঞ্চলে বাস করে। People living close to rivers are most likely victims of river erosion. Each year, about 1 lakh people become homeless due to river erosion in Bangladesh. Each year, about 1 lakh people, প্রতি বছর 1 লক্ষ মানুষ ঘর ছাড়া হয় due to river erosion in Bangladesh. Meherjan's life is just one example of how climate change affects the lives of thousands of people. Meherjaনের জীবনটা হচ্ছে একটা সামান্য এক্সাম্পল মাত্র, যে কিভাবে জলবায়ু পরিবর্তনটা আমাদের হাজার হাজার মানুষের জীবনে প্রভাব ফেলছে। Affects meaning প্রভাব ফেলছে। Have you finished writing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Take your homework and classwork. I'm just writing down on the screen using my whiteboard. So environment pollution CW, this is paragraph. And Unit-5, Lesson-2, sorry, Unit-5, Lesson-1, B, C, and D. HW.
So D is already
Lesson-1, Unit-5, Lesson-1, BCD. That means B, number B, there will you will find their MCQ. Number C, okay, there is no B, C. Yes, C question answer, and you have already solved D. So you need to do only B and C, question answer and MCQ. This is your home task. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Have you written the CW and SW?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you so much. Thanks for coming. Allah Hafiz, and see you in my next class tomorrow.
Sir,
Assalamu alaikum.
Sir,